Hello, my name is Rupanjana. I am basically from Calcutta. Post my wedding, I shifted to Noida where I settled with my husband and his family. After my wedding, I was involved into a lot of unhealthy eating, and because I was not keeping track of what I was eating on a daily basis, so a lot of junk food indulgence and a lot of like the food was all of very high calorie count, and also to top it all, I was diagnosed with clinical depression, because of which I was into antidepressants for quite a while, which also added to my weight gain. So because of those dark days, I used to get into emotional eating, where I used to have a gorge into a lot of junk foods, sugary foods, pastries, brownies, and that was not really healthy. To definitely that will show in my weight gain, and eventually that led to a lot of drop in my confidence level. So I would really say that this being overweight is not just about being physical, not just a physical hindrance, but also it was taking a toll on my mental peace too. And continuously I was whining and complaining to my husband that I was not feeling good about myself. There were a lot of unsolicited comments which I was coming across. You get into a body shaming about yourself, you do not feel beautiful from within. So my husband really motivated me that instead of just whining and just complaining about the situation, why don't you do something about it and get into a very healthy eating habit and a fitness regime. It was then that it struck that I need to really pull up my socks, and I have to think about myself first and really give priority to my health. And I came across many nutritionists over the internet, and finally I chose nutritionist Ankita Gupta Sehgal. She's very reasonable and very highly adaptable, because also I would say that she's a wonderful human being, fantastic person to gel with. She will give you this fantastic diet plans which is easy to follow, doable, and not something very drastic thing that you have to get into a starving mode. She gives healthy eating habits that you have to eat after every 2 hours, and also she customizes the diet plan as per your needs. So there were days or there were weeks I used to have this hunger pangs and really having cravings for non-veg food, because I'm a Bengali, of course. So she used to give me a lot of non-vegetarian options in my diet, which was easy to cook, and also I could have it to my heart's content. And this really resulted in a whooping loss of 18 kgs. Yes, 18 kgs in 3.5 months. And she also suggested me to do a little bit of 30 to 40 minutes of exercise on a daily basis, depending on my fitness level. And there were days I used to have a lot of insecurities when the weighing scale would not budge, and she used to handle all my queries and give a very holistic solution, handle it with a lot of calm and composure, and really helped me a lot in this entire journey. So thank you a lot. Thanks to ma'am. So I would request all my friends to please reach out to Ankita Gupta Sehgal if you have any weight loss issues or PCOD issues, because she's a fantastic one in this field and will be of great help for all of you. Thank you so much. And also want to, not to mention, apart from the 18 kgs weight loss, which is definitely evident, but I also had a lot of inches loss that was also required. It's not about the weight in the weighing scale, but also there was a lot of inches loss, and I feel way more fitter and energetic and definitely more confident from within. Thank you.